Hi everyone, today we have a 2007 Buick Lucerne and the driver door switch was replaced, and I'm here to program it, and hopefully this video will be beneficial to somebody else. So we're using the SPS tool, and we'll be launching it with the administrative privileges. So we're using a CARDAC plus 3 and with the Tech Connect with TechLine Connect, which is the SPS tool. It's loading up, and just to make sure I have this recorded, so okay, it's recording in the background. Okay, so the software is up. That's the dealership software, and I'm inputting the VIN number manually. Sometimes you can hit on the connect vehicle and it will connect automatically, and if the VIN is also among the list in the recent vehicles, you can just click on that and then it will take you straight into it. So I am inputting it manually, and that has populated, but it says it cannot map the VIN. So let's take a look at the year and see if there's any list of years in the drop down, and it shows nothing. Okay, so we'll just proceed. Click on the select, and we see that the vehicle information has come up. So it's asking us to confirm the vehicle interface tool, which is the CARDAC plus 3. And we'll go to the SPS tool, and this will take us into the interface where the programming options are available. So let's just quickly test our switch. When we can see it does nothing when we push the buttons. The windows do not move up or down. Okay, so let's go back to the machine, and we'll select replace and reprogram, and we'll then come to the bottom right and click on next. So this is confirming. We have the driver's door switch. That is what we're programming, and we quickly look and see if there's anything similar, but just that one only. So we're going with the driver door switch, and we can hit on next, and it's going to look into our subscriptions if we have a VIN slot, which we do. So we'll click on proceed, and it will be taking one of the slots that are available. So we just wait and see, and then follow the instructions that it will be telling us afterwards. So these are the okay, so the current file or calibration we'll be using is checked. So we'll click on next, and we can see the current model doesn't have anything, so it will be updating it with those new calibrations. Okay, it's downloading from the dealership the dealership server, or the OEM server, sorry. And now we'll wait for it to program the door switch. Okay, the good thing is that this thing is moving faster, so we'll just observe it and see in case it's commanding us to perform certain actions. Okay, so we have less than 1 minute. We have less than 30 seconds. So what we'll be looking for is the cycling of the doors, and this is almost done. Okay, and you can hear the doors have cycled, which also marks the end of the reprogramming. We have our confirmation, and with this pop-up we can click on the later. So we have the option to print out the confirmation. So we hit on print. Let me close, put it in the background. Click on print again, hit on OK, and we're saving it as a PDF. So we put 2007 week, and we can add door switch, and I can click on save. And the next since this has been programmed, probably we'll just clear the DTCs. And once that is done, we can exit from this particular page. Okay. So this is successful. Hit on OK and proceed same VIN, and that takes us out of the confirmation page. So since we don't have anything to program, we can exit and also close the application. And from here we can test the buttons to see if they respond or not. So as you can see, the door window, the driver's side is moving up and down. Then the front passenger side is moving up and down. And the windows behind me are moving down and up. So this is how to go about programming a replaced door switch for some of these GM vehicles. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.